Do you believe in your journey or not? I don't know. But if you don't believe in your journey, hey everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. And सबसे पहला precaution है इस बाल के हाल पे मत जाओ, right? See, actually let's come back to here, and actually I did a live with Deepika ma'am, and that was literally an amazing session. See, in our life, it's not every time we have to do experiment kind of stuff and we have to learn. We just have to learn from other person life as well, and that is gonna to be much more beneficial for us, right? So I did a live with Deepika ma'am, and that was literally an mind-blowing session. Her journey is literally amazing, and I have learned a lot. And this video is gonna so much valuable for you as well, right? So before you jump into the video, make sure to just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload any new video. Now let's begin.
Hi.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
Actually, I just got, if I received the connection request, I just like, oh, live. So I just get for that. We have to go live in at least in a formal way so that we look presentable. So it's I should get
Thank
ready
you so
for
much
that.
ma'am, thank you so much for joining us.
But my pleasure. Every day I have joined your live and
Thank you, ma'am.
always feel like when I get the connection request, so it was like, oh, today I got the connection request, so let's join.
Thank you so much ma'am, thank you so much. Just want a small intro of yourself.
Okay. So for the one who just saw me and who are not aware about me, I just introduce myself to you. I am Deepika Relan, a life skill coach and a public speaking skill trainer. I working as a life coach from last 2 years, and recently I have started my training sessions in which I provide trainings on a life skill and on a public speaking skills. I try to transform the lives of people, but it takes lots of courage from your side as well. If
Right.
you are really ready to do it, then yes, definitely will get the result. So this
Right,
is my mission. You can say that I have to transform the lives as much as possible from my side.
That's great ma'am, that's great. Yeah. So I just start asking some random kind of question that I think that should be going to valuable for more people. So the first question is that that I have, that how do you get inspiration that I have to be going like you can say life coach kind of thing?
Okay. Actually, what happened is I have shared that story on my page as well, on my profile as well, that from my childhood, I really wanted to become something that I should be named as Deepika. People know me as Deepika. So you can understand that fame should be there with me. So I
Right.
started in my childhood that I want to become an air hostess, because that time that is a so big thing that if somebody
Right,
is
right.
an air hostess, then I leave that in a midway, and because of some reasons I don't want to disclose that. Then I started my RJ training. I worked as an RJ, so that was an amazing feeling. And on that time, I have decided, yes, I want to do something big in life, so that people really transform their life. As my mission is something which help people. So when I was taking my RJ trainings, at that time, I talked to a lot of people on a radio, much clear with their thoughts, with their goals. So they are very much confused and they don't know really what the path they should take. As an RJ, you have received lots of messages from the people
Right.
that what I should do in this case, what I should do in that case, how do I deal with that. So that time I was too young to handle all those situations, but I feel now I got so much of experience. So I decided, yes, I took training for life coach, then I start training as well, as I am
That's
providing the training. So
That's great,
yes,
ma'am.
you can say it is like 10 years almost. In 2011 I was working as an RJ, so it's been
Yeah.
10 years. So it took a long way to come here.
So ma'am, could you tell us that 2 learnings that you have learned in RJ training and whole journey of your RJ? I mean,
Yeah. See, first of all, what I have learned from my that particular journey is I have received lots of no in my life, lots of rejections. I have faced lots of no in, you can say, from my dear and near ones. So, but because of that no, what I develop in myself is you should not bother about these things. You have to do
Right.
what you really want to do. So after getting, my parents were not agree if I do as an RJ job, and because of that I have left that job also. And some of the people are also saying you should not go for it. It is not good for girls and so and so, because the mindset is different altogether. But what I have decided at that time, it's really what I want to do. So I do it. And then the second thing is, if you really want something in your life, not today, but definitely tomorrow you will get it. If you really want it, or that is something that you have to clear in your mind. If you are not clear with your thought, then maybe you are getting puzzled all the way.
Right,
This
ma'am.
is something
Right.
which I have learned
So,
from my experience. Okay. So actually what happened is, when my family wants me to work, like they want I have to join a job and I have to work so that I can earn something for myself. And so what I did is I joined a job, I start working, and at that time, without any concern of my parents, I start taking training for RJ. This was the first thing that was I hide from my parents, because I know if I tell them, if I told them that I want to do this, I am going there, and they were like, no, you don't have to do it. We are
never
not
going to
like
wear.
you, and so I was not bothering them, and as my profession, as my passion as well. And then I parallelly doing both of the things, my job as well as my RJ training. And once I get the training, I'll start internship that was on a part-time basis. Like for a 1 hour or 2 hour, you have to record, and then you can go back to your home. So that was a bit struggling time, you can say, because I have to
Right.
work for 14 hours in a day. So that was a bit difficult, but yes, I did it. And once I get the result, as in once I get my first check for my RJ job, I show them that, see, you want me to
Right.
earn, I am earning this much. And this is not so big that I am earning. The much bigger is my name, which
Right,
is
right.
on air now. So first
Right.
time my father listened my that RJ wala, what we got RJ, जो broadcast हुआ था उस time पे on air हुआ था जब. So at
Okay.
that time my father feels so proud. So I was like so happy. My struggle, my all pain will got just vanish at that time. So I was very happy. Yes, my parents are now supporting me for that.
So what do you suggest to me?
See, you have to do both the things. The passion that you have to do it. And oh yes, definitely, you can do both the things parallelly. And this is how you can make them happy as well, and yourself.
Right.
Because most importantly, you should feel happy from inside. If you are not feeling happy, and if you are doing something out of others' dream, or if you want to do something just because to make them other happy, then you will be not happy for a long run, right? So do what you really want to do, and then yes, parallelly do what your parents want them. But one day I am sure they will understand, as my parents understand me now. And even though I'm telling you, they are not aware about my life till coaching as well. So it was quite
Okay.
funny. And I was on a video, my father searched on a YouTube. He was searching some other actually video, and he was finding me on there. तो यहाँ पे क्या कर रही है? I was like, oh, आपको पता लग गया.
Oh,
So it is not like this. But now I'm married, and all these things has happened. So my father doesn't interact me that much. But that day he was like, ये कब शुरू किया? बताया नहीं. मैंने कहा कुछ भी बताने का कोई फायदा नहीं था, इस वजह से बताया नहीं. So it is like this. They feel really happy when you are like you are enjoying your passion. I have
Yes,
seen that thing on my father's face, that yes, he is happy what I am doing, but he is surprised and shocked as well. And same thing at that time happened. So I was like, okay, no no problems in that case. But something you have to do is you have to give the time to yourself. You have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
like give more and more time to yourself and to your parents as well. Means dreams is something which take lots of effort. If you are ready to
Right.
put all the efforts, then definitely you and your parents as well, you both will be happy.
Ma'am, so ma'am,
Yes.
when you start your digital journey, like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, kind of stuff.
Like it's been just I think 6 months back only. I have not been so. It's not been 6 months actually. I have joined my Facebook as in January, or YouTube
Okay.
was on December. So it's not actually 6 months. But yes, I'm trying to put lots of effort in that as much as I can do, because just few of the you can say responsibilities are more in a
Yes.
on a girl, so it's quite
Yes.
impossible for few things. Like I have decided to come live every day, but somehow
Okay.
it doesn't happen, and that is why I was looking for you. Oh, he's live. I should join him. He's live, so it is somewhere
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
have feel that if I get the opportunity, I want to grab that. I will grab that, but
Thank you, ma'am.
it's I think I'm lacking one way that I'm not taking my 100% on one platform. So this is something which I should do it. I feel it's somewhere, because in
But you are
six
doing
months
all
if I
things,
see,
ma'am.
yeah, in 6 months if I see my grow, that is satisfactory at some point of time, but that really it's not so big. So yes, I have to
Yeah.
make it big.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, definitely. And next question that, ma'am, when you join Communication Mastery, and what are the changes that comes inside you when you just join the Communication Mastery?
Really, it's after joining the communication mastery, because I have joined probably 8 months back,
8 months
October or
back.
November somewhere. After that, I have make my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, and all these things I have done after that only. Just because of communication mastery, I think there is a push in it. If you
Right.
really want to do something, you get one push, and that push for me is communication mastery, because I was
Okay.
taking training from last 2 years or 1.5 years and so, but I was not taking the action. And what I feel is after joining the communication mastery, I was not that much afraid of taking the action. I took the action as and when I want. So it is something which I have learned from communication mastery, that you have to take the action in your life.
That's great, ma'am. Ma'am, even I have talked to a lot of people before the joining the Communication Mastery course. Like me, I'm like introvert kind of student, and
Okay.
after joining that, I'll start talking to people and I'll start try to connect genuinely
Interacting
with the
with
people.
people.
Yeah. So that's the thing that comes. Even when I just took my first live at the time, I was like, no one is there. I'm only there, and I just talking like any kind of thing,
That
and after
happened
just
with
delete
me
that
as well,
video.
yes.
Yeah.
Only 3 people were there when I was taking my first live in December. I have starting on December only, December or January maybe. So there was only 3 people, and the 3 were left. I was like, oh, so it is all like this. But I then decided, no, you have to do it. You have to do it
Right.
either once in a week or twice in a week, but you have to. So this is
Right,
something
right,
that
right.
I also learned. If nobody is responding, then also you have to do your work. It doesn't
Right.
matter that how your audience is, how your audience type, and people are listening to you or not, whatsoever the reason is, but you have to do your work at last. This is something which I also learned from communication mastery.
Right. Ma'am, next question that I have, that in most of the like student, you can say journey or life, we are not aware so much. Like we don't have a self awareness kind of thing. We see like यार एक्टिंग में अच्छा करियर है तो हम एक्टिंग चूज कर लेते हैं, या इंजीनियरिंग में अच्छा करियर है इंजीनियरिंग चूज कर लेते हैं. So what do you suggest to this student?
See, what happened is, the knowledge that we have, we choose the career accordingly. Right?
Right.
अगर आपके पास किसी चीज की नॉलेज ही नहीं होगी, then how will you choose the career? सो व्हाट हैपन, जब आपको बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिखते हैं, बट वो ऑप्शंस अगर आप देखो ना, एक लिमिटेड एरिया तक ही होते हैं. जैसे एक टाइम था बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा इंजीनियरिंग में जाते थे, दे आर डू इंजीनियरिंग, बट व्हाट हैपन इज वहां पे एक तो फीस इतना ज्यादा होता है, राइट, एंड सेकंड योर करियर ईयर्स आर सो लॉन्ग. जो आप एक करियर को देते हो अपने, वो
4 साल तो देना ही पड़ता है
एटलीस्ट. उसके बाद भी यू हैव टू हैव द पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन also, right? So this is what something when we are following the other people, एक ने किया, then दूसरे ने किया, फिर तीसरे ने किया. So there is some limitation in your knowledge, in your mindset. You have to break that. What you have to do is, whenever you are going to choose a career, just get more than 100 option in front of you, and then compare with your passion, compare with your interest, compare with your skill set, right? When you start doing this, you come to know that yes, I have these kind of skills and I can do that thing. I have passion in this and I can do this thing. So this is how you can save your time, energy and money as well. When I take workshop in a school, what I suggested to that student who are in 10th and 12th, I suggest them that you have to choose your interest level. You have to focus in what area you are interested, what are the skills that you have. As per your skills, interest, you have to choose your passion, and as per that you have to choose your profession. But once you have started doing without any passion, without any skill set, you are just following the other people, वो भेड़ चाल जिसको कहते हैं, if you are doing that, then there is no way you will get the success in life. If you really want to get successful, if you really want to earn money in life, you choose the passion, you choose your profession as per the passion that you have. क्योंकि I feel that we all are different, but we all are same as well. ठीक है, different होते हैं क्योंकि हमारा interest level different होता है, but same हम अपना करियर जैसे हम चूज करते हैं ना, तब हम वो स्किल सेट वहाँ पे दिखाई देता है, राइट? बिकॉज इफ यू हैव सीन मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल जो 10th and 12th में होते हैं बच्चे, 10th के बाद अगर पैसा कमाना है तो कॉमर्स में जाएंगे, अगर पढ़ना है तो साइंस में जाएंगे, कुछ नहीं करना है तो आर्ट्स में जाएंगे. ऐसा उनका माइंडसेट होता है, जो मुझे अपने काउंसलिंग के दौरान पता लगा कि देखो तो पढ़ना ही नहीं है मैम, आई विल टेक आर्ट्स, पापा का बिजनेस है मैं वो कर लूँ. जो बच्चे कहते हैं कि नहीं नहीं मैम हमें तो पैसे कमाने हैं, भी काम वाम करना है, 12th के बाद ही शुरू कर देंगे, देन दे आर सेइंग मैं तो कॉमर्स लूंगा. और जो बच्चे कहते हैं नहीं हमारे पास बहुत कुछ है, हमें तो भी अपने स्टडीज को टाइम देना है, वो कहते हैं मैं साइंस लूंगा. अरे आपका इंटरेस्ट क्या है ये देखा है आपने? ये तो सोचा ही नहीं इंटरेस्ट कहाँ पे. से हेलो,
हाय.
So I hope you got the value from this video, and this is literally, that was mind-blowing actually. So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value, and if you got the value from this video, please do share this video to another people so that they get benefited as well. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.